Did you know you can save thousands of liters of water a year just by reducing the amount of water in your toilet flush tank? No. Big group effort is needed. It is what you can do as a single person, and it only takes 1 minute of your time. This is how you do it. First, remove the lid from the flush tank. Now, check the water level. Most tanks have a mark on the wall with the amount of water. This way you can estimate how much water is in the tank. It is important that the minimum amount of water is at least half of the tank. This is better for the tank itself and for having a good flush. Do you see the adjustment screw near the fill valve? By turning it, you can reduce the water level. In some parts of the world, you have to turn it clockwise. In other parts, counterclockwise. Now, take a screwdriver and turn the screw 90 degrees. Then flush a little and check the new water level. If needed, turn the screw a bit more. And in case the level has increased, just turn the opposite side. It's very simple and takes only a few seconds, but the impact is huge. To get an idea, when you reduce the water level with 2 liters, you save 2 liters of water with every flush. So when you use the toilet 5 times a day, you save 10 liters a day. This is 3,650 liters per year. Can you imagine what happens when you use the toilet with the whole family? And what about public toilets? Now upload your water savings at theflushchallenge.com and join our worldwide mission to save 10 million liters of water a day.